What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video show as well. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? Right here, hit that like button and comment something nice in the comment section down below. Now, so in today's video, this is going to be a what's in my backpack video for school 2022. I'm also going to be showing y'all what's in my school purse for 2022. So this is my backpack. It's this light blue color. I don't know what's the name of these. It starts with a V, basket or something like this. It's not that big, but it's got enough for a minute. And it's got this like little pocket right here. Ooh, this little pocket right here for like pencils. But I didn't know that before I ordered it, and I already have a pencil pouch. So we're gonna pack this first. I'll go back first. So, and my backpack was going in here first. This school Chromebook that we're gonna use every year. I don't know, I'm sick and tired of it. It's like we need some new ones. I don't even got my label on it no more with my ID. So, if we get lost this year, I don't know how they're going to return it. That's going in the computer part. Let's scroll this down so y'all can see. That's going in the computer part. Then we have the charger, but I'll put that in last. Next is school supplies. I got 1.5 inch binder. It has paper in it, that's all. This is gonna be for every class. If I need something or they give me papers to put, it's going in one folder, one binder. I'm not gonna use different binders for each class because it's high school. We don't even use binders like that. I only needed one binder last year, so I'm only bringing one binder this year. I am gonna bring 2 composition books and 1 spiral. Because I don't know what classes I have first semester. I have a pencil pouch. I thought I did. I don't know. I swear I thought I had a pencil pouch. Oh, it's sitting right here. I'm like, I know I had a pencil pouch. Because it matched my binder. I have a black pencil pouch. In here is just pen. I have black pens. I only started with 2 mechanical pencils. It feels like if I bring a whole pack of pencils, they're gone in the first month. So I'm only gonna start with 2 out of that pack. I got 2 highlighters, color pencils, and then I have some earbuds for the Chromebook. That's gonna go right here. Like I said, it did come with a pencil pouch thing, but I'm not gonna put it in there. And then I want to put this in the front. No, I won't put it in the front. I don't know. I'm going to put my Mercy kit, my Mercy bag that got everything in case of emergency in here. Ooh, now my backpack's looking a little bit tough and heavy. Yeah. It's looking a little bulky now. I need to add my scissors. These are the sharpest scissors. I don't like using school scissors because they always got the little dog kid scissors. So I bring my own scissors. So I'm gonna put it in this little pencil pouch thing. I bought a charger off of Shein for iPhones, and it's like it can plug into the Chromebook, the USB charger. But I want to charge it. It don't charge as fast. It takes a little longer to charge. But we're just in school, so I hope it works. I'm gonna put this in the pencil pouch thing with the scissors for right now. I'll probably take it out. But for right now, it's going in there. I'm not gonna get a mouse this year. If my Chromebook, I have one, but I'm not gonna put it in here because if my Chromebook starts acting up, they're just gonna give me a new one. That's what they should do. And then this pouch, I probably won't put nothing in this pouch unless I gotta bring something on a day. I won't put nothing in here right now. Well, this pouch, I won't put nothing in the front pouch. I can't see. But oh, I gotta put my I'll put my Chromebook charger in the front pouch. Ooh. Let's pack my school purse. So this year, I always get like a new purse for school year to start off with something new. I try to. And this year I found this purse off of Shein, and I thought it was simple and cute just for school. I don't need nothing too much for school. I'm gonna add it on to the side of my bag right here. It's like this little summer piece. You can add something here. This little pouch, I'm going to add a mirror, compact mirror that I got for Shein, hand sanitizer, pens and pencils. Usually I'll get somewhere and I need to like write something down. I don't have a pen or pencil. Usually I have it in my purse. So pens and pencils in there. And what else can go in this little section? I think this is all for this little section. Everything else can go on the inside, really. So on the inside, I'm going to be putting like I said, the inside's not that big, but it's a little spacious. If I could do this. Inside, I'm going to put hand cream from, this is the Stress Relief hand cream from Bath & Body Works. I know it's not gonna focus. My wallet, I call it my wallet. It's a pouch, but I have my money, all my cards and stuff in there. Lip gloss can go in. I'm gonna put lip gloss in this front section. Yeah. My Vaseline. Why I say it like that? Vaseline. Miniature deodorant. This is my hair bag. It just has hair ties, barbie pins, edge brush, edge gel. And I got this like little bag from Dollar Tree and just put this stuff in. I need to put some more stuff in it because you see it kind of looks empty. But that can go in here. And then I just have a handful of candy. And then before school starts, I'm gonna get a pack of gum to put in here. And I think this is all. Now it's full. It's got some weight to it. So yeah, in this front section, it's a little bulky. And you see how cute this is for the first day of school? It's black. So it goes with every little outfit. But like I said, or I could just hold it like this. But like I said, this was from Shein. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, book bags from Amazon, purse from Shein. I might add the link. That link should be in the description box down below. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.